हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो आज जिस टॉपिक पे मैं वीडियो बना रही हूँ, जैसे कि पिछली बार मैंने आपको बताया था यूनिट 1 में कौन कौन से टॉपिक से मैंने आपको बताया था। तो पिछली बार हमने डेटा इंफॉर्मेशन नॉलेज और विजडम पे मैंने आप लोगों को नोट्स प्रोवाइड करा दिए थे। आज जिस टॉपिक पे मैं नोट्स प्रोवाइड करा रही हूँ वो है आपका इंफॉर्मेशन लाइफ साइकिल, जनरेशन, कलेक्शन, स्टोरेज एंड डिसेमिनेशन। ठीक है, तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं इंफॉर्मेशन लाइफ साइकिल से। साइकिल मीन्स अ सीरीज ऑफ इवेंट्स दैट आर रेगुलरली रिपीटेड इन द सेम ऑर्डर। ट्रांसफर फॉर ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन from its generation to its end user become possible through many processes. These processes are also regularly repeated in the same order. These processes complete a cycle which is called information transfer cycle. The ITC comprises generation, collection, storage, communication and retrieval. फिर हम जो जो इसके मतलब जिस जिन चीज़ों से बनता है उसको डिस्कस करेंगे। सबसे पहले है इंफॉर्मेशन क्रिएशन, या फिर इसको हम जनरेशन भी कह सकते हैं। Information is created with the happening of incidents and activities of human. If an activity or an incident does not happen, no information is created. Information is mostly created by research and development program, government activities, survey and census of population, business and industrial organization, etc. and presented in format by author, scientist, researcher, editor, writer, poet, novelist, dramatist, etc. Over the web, information is produced by the general people irrespective of their background and is not restricted only to academics such as scholars, scientists, etc. फिर बात करेंगे हम इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोडक्शन एंड डिसेमिनेशन। It is the mass production of knowledge through publishing companies or others that will help the mass distribution of knowledge in some physical or electronic form. Previously, the information had been disseminated in the form of book. Many conventional and non-conventional, printed and non-printed sources of information are nowadays available, which are different in shape, size, types and format. Over the web, the production is accelerated by posting the information electronically over some kind of website. It speeds up the transfer of information globally at a rapid rate instead of taking months or years to get published on paper. नेक्स्ट है आपका इंफॉर्मेशन स्टोरेज, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, रिट्रीवल एंड कम्युनिकेशन। The storage is the process by which the information described and presented in the documents are stored. Information is collected and stored by library, documentation center, information analysis center, data banks, data centers, etc. Computer has been accepted as a boon for storing of information. It can store a huge amount of information in the form of database. Besides, the computer disk and CD-ROMs are the newly developed and very significant tools of storing information. Organization is how that representation of knowledge found among other of its kind in the library environment, the classification and catalog, shelf list, various kinds of guide, etc., facilitates the retrieval function. All these tools are equipped with control vocabulary. In the computer environment, organization is facilitated by databases, search engines, etc. Knowledge is individual and the user determine its usefulness, so keyword and natural language search in computer environment is more attractive. Retrieval is a process of getting information from the collection of a library for providing answer to the queries of the users, etc. Communication is the process of transmission of information from one place to another, from the creator of information to its user. It is necessary for the best use of the same. It is the process of social exchange. In the library environment, communication of information can be made through telephone, CS service, SDI services, teleconferencing, email, etc. Sometimes the publisher also brings different kinds of information sources to the notice of the user community. फिर बात करेंगे हम इंफॉर्मेशन डिफ्यूजन एंड यूटिलाइजेशन. Diffusion is viewed as a more targeted flow of information to a particular segment of society. The diffusion of information should find its way to people who actually need it instead of targeting the people who will use it for their own benefit. Utilization is the adoption and implementation of the knowledge by the user. Information is needed by each and every person of modern society for some purpose or the other. When information is consumed by one person, it gives new dimension to his knowledge. This knowledge, when he applied to some other purposes, it gives birth to new information. Thus, the information cycle is continuum in nature. फिर है इंफॉर्मेशन प्रिजर्वेशन एंड डिस्ट्रक्शन. द डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ libraries, archives are trying to preserve information in different format. Over web, the internet archive and the cache page of search engines are serving some purpose in this regard. The information that is less frequently accessed or has met its assigned retention period may be considered for relocation to an archive. Then, from the archive, it needs to be weeded at some time or other by means of appropriate procedure for the content. The meaning of information cycle relates to that unit of knowledge from where the information is generated and then transmitted to the user with the state of various processes. The whole process of information from its creation to its use is called the information cycle. फिर है इंफॉर्मेशन ट्रांसफ़र की डेफिनेशंस. इंफॉर्मेशन items of data. Knowledge is derived from an explicit theory or theories embedded in a social context of explanation and are endorsed by a discipline or group of practitioners. Tacit knowledge that is in people's hand or in their own file or distinguished from explicit knowledge which is in documents or databases. Tacit knowledge is learning by doing. It is codifiable and therefore a knowledge asset for an organization. Public knowledge created through scholarly and scientific inquiry, the result of which are made public for understanding and use. Public knowledge is shared knowledge. Organizational knowledge, organized company knowledge made available to staff via various access points and system. Knowledge management, a set of proactive activities to support an organization in the creation, production, dissemination, organization, diffusion, utilization, preservation, and destruction of knowledge. Content management, bringing together all assets of an organization, hardware, software, people to build an organization website. फिर बात करते हैं हम इंफॉर्मेशन ट्रांसफ़र साइकिल की. इंफॉर्मेशन नीड, द प्रोसेस ऑफ बिकमिंग अवेयर ऑफ द रेलेवेंस ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन. Knowledge creation, externally produce empirically grounded knowledge through respect and development or internally generated through research and development. Knowledge dissemination, the one-way spreading of information that help the user seek and acquire alternative sources of information and learn about options. Another level of dissemination is interactive and provides for a multi-directional flow of information into system. Dissemination systems supply information to reduce costly ignorance. Knowledge organization, a systematic arranging of data, information and knowledge to facilitate identification, access and retrieval. Knowledge diffusion, The deliberate, sometimes accidental spreading of knowledge, essentially through contact, the exchange and multi-flow of knowledge. Diffusion is the process by which an innovation is communicated through certain channels over time among members of a social system. Roger's five-stage innovation diffusion model consists of awareness, interest, generation, and knowledge acquisition, attitude form, formation, decision, adoption, or rejection. Knowledge utilization, a process which aims at increasing the employment of knowledge to solve problem and improve the quality of organizational decision making. Utilization involve designing strategies that help put knowledge to use. Knowledge preservation, the faithful storage and maintenance of document to facilitate further use. Knowledge destruction, the deliberate or accidental loss of knowledge. Knowledge needs diagnosis. The process consists of client interviews, observation, examination of information, use pattern, and client feedback. Knowledge repacking, a service that consists of diagnosing a client information need, information counseling, consolidation, and compression. It is adding value to information by facilitating physical and conceptual access. तो आज मैंने आपको यूनिट 1 के दूसरे टॉपिक पे भी नोट्स प्रोवाइड करा दिए हैं। वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिए। बेल आइकन को दबाइए ताकि नोटिफिकेशन आप लोगों तक पहुंच जाए। साथ ही मेरे 3 और चैनल्स हैं। एक चैनल है जो कि यूजीसी पेपर 1 से डील कर रहा है। एक चैनल है जो कि इग्नू के स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो कि ग्रेजुएशन या पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन कर रहे हैं हिस्ट्री में, पॉलिटिकल साइंस में, वहाँ पे उनको उसके नोट्स मिल जाएंगे। और जो बच्चे बैचलर ऑफ लाइब्रेरी साइंस कर रहे हैं इग्नू से, उसका भी एक अलग से चैनल है, उसका भी उसके नोट्स आपको उस चैनल पे मिल जाएंगे। किसी को भी अगर वो चैनल चाहिए, उसको सब्सक्राइब करना चाहते हैं तो कमेंट में मुझे आप लिख दीजिए, मैं आपको उस चैनल का लिंक भेज दूँगी। वीडियो फिर से कहूँगी, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। आप लोग को लग रहा होगा सिर्फ नोट्स दे रहे हैं, समझा नहीं रही हूँ, ऐसा नहीं है। आने वाले वीडियोस में मैं आप लोगों को हर एक टॉपिक को डिटेल में समझाऊँगी भी, और कैसे पढ़ना है, क्या करना है, हम धीरे धीरे सब चीज़ें करेंगे। पर अभी फ़िलहाल मैंने नोट्स से शुरू किया है कि मैं देखूँ कितने लोग इंटरेस्टेड हैं, इस वजह से। तो आज के लिए बस इतना ही। नेक्स्ट वीडियो तक बाय, गुड डे, हैव अ वेरी गुड डे।